Hello people, let's talk about food, shall we? Ladies' favourite subject, I think. Here in central Thailand, on the farm in the jungle, we're going to look at what they eat, because I've been talking about processed food poisoning people, causing cancer. We have, the West has 4 times the cancer rate of the third world. I don't think Thailand's a third world anymore, but they're not one of the wealthy nations. Now, this is a fuck. I know, believe it or not, I still can't believe it. This is put in curries and cooked. You have Thai potato. Gruesome looking thing. I don't know how they get much out of that. Of course, plenty of chili. A favourite is small cucumbers, and they're eaten raw with almost everything, and they're quite tasty actually. They're quite nice. Celery, it's not quite as we know it, and it's eaten more for the leaves. They're very tough actually, very tough, but it's eaten raw. And you have more leafy things, spring onions, that's all eaten raw. And sweet chili, I don't know, are these cooked or eaten raw? And of course, my favourite, mango. And we also have, somewhere, they have a lot of unripe, small, sour mangoes. And they use these mangoes unripe in a mango salad, the same as papaya salad. The papaya is cut up unripe and mixed with chili and lime, making a spicy salad. Too spicy for me, it makes my eyes water. But they're eaten raw or unripe and uncooked. This is a smaller mango, which is eaten uncooked, raw. Slightly sour, and this is a tiny mango. That's 3 different types we have here. These are eaten raw as well. And then you have the long green bean, whose name is long green bean. And these are generally eaten raw. Tastes like daffodils. And then this is eaten like a cabbage. It's they call it Mexican cabbage, but its proper name is spinach tree. Now, I'm sure you all know what spinach is famous for. I've asked a few people and they don't know. I can't believe that. Spinach, what's it famous for? Put it in the comments. Whatever it is famous for, this is twice as much as spinach. I think it's probably where it gets its name. This is cooked like a cabbage and put in anything really. But best of all is the moringa. This has got 25 times what spinach has got, and that's just one thing. I mean, like carrots are famous for vitamin A, and this has got 10 times the vitamin A. It's got all the protein that you need, all 9 amino acids, and it's just not heard of much in the West. And it's a fabulous, nutritious plant, and you wouldn't think of eating it because it's actually a sort of a tree. But we grow it here on the farm, and you can now get capsules of this off of our site, and it's the best thing that you could possibly eat. But a lot of the food is raw, locally produced, and a damn sight healthier than Western processed food. So try and eat more raw food, or use our supplement, because nutrition is so important. And don't forget that, please bear that in mind when you're shopping all the time. So thank you for listening, and I'll see you again.